Hello, we are Cibus, and today we are going to present our environmentally friendly meat packaging solution. From organic acids to complex plastics, packaging meat isn't as simple as putting it in a box. We need to make sure our packages are sustainable, safe, and environmentally friendly. Meat packaging should keep the meat safe. This includes temperature or other environment variations in the transportation phase to even on the shelf. Bacteria formation can lead to its discoloration and the meat going bad.
Meat is a very large industry, particularly in North America, with beef, pork, and chicken sales. Due to the large global demand for meat, Canadian meat processing has a market value of about $30 billion in 2018. The meat market has continuously grown at about 2.8% in the past 5 years.
From interviewing different meat and package suppliers, the ideal packaging solution must be sustainable. The meat package needs to be antimicrobial to prevent bacteria formation, biodegradable to make it environmentally friendly, biocompatible so that it's safe to consume, and long-acting to provide all of these benefits over the meat's expected shelf life. Current technology is unable to provide long-acting solutions to this problem. Nitrates are most commonly employed because they are cheap and widely available. However, they are considered toxic for us to consume. Newer technologies, such as organic acids, are very expensive and not available around the world, such as the Asian markets. All existing solutions are not long-acting. They provide preservation benefits over a small fraction of the meat's shelf life. And it's costing us. Every year, 72 million tons of meat are tossed in the US due to discoloration or bacteria formation. If we put this into perspective for Canada, in recent years, meat spoilage costs Canadians $1.5 billion per year. That's 1/3 of the revenue from Canada's annual meat exports.
This presents an opportunity for improving profits if the amount of meat lost to spoilage is reduced with new innovation in the meat supplier's production and processes. Currently in grocery stores, packaged meat is put on sale when the expiration date is approaching in an attempt to sell the meat, even if the profits are low. As a result, grocery stores are hesitant to overbuy meat since having too large a stock will result in large amounts of meat needing to be sold at lower profits. This lowers the potential profit margins of meat suppliers and packagers as the amount of meat they sell is limited due to the expiration date concerns. This has created a potential market for packaging that can better serve and preserve meat quality to drive sales. Current meat packaging relies heavily on plastic-based packaging which presents environmental concerns. These plastics are difficult to dispose of, which makes the standard meat packaging costly for the environment. By switching over to other types of packaging which utilizes a non-plastic approach, meat suppliers are able to mitigate these environmental concerns. Government subsidies are available for companies that use environment-friendly business practices related to reducing waste. Hence, there are potential gains for switching to an alternative type of packaging that does not use plastics.
To meet the needs of the market, our group offers a solution that uses a coating of colloidal chitosan that protects consumers' meat from bacteria. This solution has benefits over other options because it addresses the key concerns of all our customers. It is antimicrobial, biodegradable, biocompatible, and long-lasting.
This business canvas, developed based on customer surveys and market analysis, further explains the structure of our technical firm. Some key highlights that are derived as a result of this study are cost structure, key activities, suppliers, target markets, and sales strategy. These are expanded upon in the following slides.
When comparing the cost of our product to current alternatives, our product is slightly more expensive at 42 cents per serving when compared to sodium nitrate and butylated hydroxytoluene, BHT. Our product will also require investment into a facility that can produce cibus in large quantities. The facility will need to be food safe and have the capacity to produce enough cibus to meet the demands of our customers. At this facility, our company will follow Lean Six Sigma manufacturing practices to reliably and sustainably produce a slurry of cibus that can be used by meat manufacturers. Before we reach the production stage, we will continue researching ways to optimize the effectiveness and production of the cibus we make to satisfy the needs of our consumers. We will also work towards developing relationships with people in industry. Finding suppliers of raw materials for our processes will be important to build our business. One of the main suppliers that offers a cost-competitive source of raw material is a Canadian-based cellulose supplier, Celluforce. The price of their food-grade crystalline cellulose is $10 per kilogram. Other alternative sources of cibus that we've investigated include companies that fish crustaceans. The chitin found in their exoskeletons are thrown away as waste products. However, we can turn that waste into money. While finding suppliers will be important for our business, developing relationships with our customers will be one of our primary focuses. We have begun to identify customers in a variety of areas in the meat industry, including butchers, large farms, meat distributors, and grocery stores. In Canada, there are over 60,000 cattle farms and ranches, which shows how large the potential market is for our product. The primary relationships that we would like to have with our customers are personal assistance and co-creation. We will work closely with our potential customers, integrating our product into their existing manufacturing processes and ensuring that they are satisfied. We will also collaborate with customers to create custom-tailored products to meet their specific needs for applications where a different release time, oxygen permeability, or storage environment are required.
To make a strong case for a switch to cibus technology, we will provide free samples for companies to conduct internal testing on the packaging. What this will achieve is that the companies will be able to ensure that cibus packaging meets all their internal standards without any bias. We are confident that the packaging quality provided by cibus is very high and believe that these tests will show similar results, confirming the value of our technology. After cibus has shown proven field test results in a variety of applications, we can then go ahead and expand our product to new customer base. Our team is composed of 6 chemical engineers that have had experiences in different areas of the industry. Yusuf has managed several projects throughout his co-op career. Ahmed's experience with sales in his co-op positions has allowed him to gain a deeper understanding of business dynamics. Suhail's supply chain experience in the manufacturing industry adds expertise in that area for this firm. Mark has vast experience in seeing products through development cycles. Daniel's manufacturing experience in various industries has given him a strong background in operations. Lastly, Aaron's unique experience with handling various engineering projects has allowed him to become an expert in his field. This makes us one heck of a team. Once cibus has been established in the meat packaging industry, we can grow to new sectors such as time release of active ingredients by utilizing similar technologies and advancements. This ensures that cibus has potential growth strategies beyond the initial formation and establishment of the company. Cibus is thus the future of meat packaging solutions. Our technology has the potential to tackle various different concerns associated with the current meat packaging solutions. Our vision incorporates the best interests of not only our customers and suppliers, but also the society at large. Therefore, investing in us guarantees the right kind of return on investment.